Welcome to the IMPLAN Quick Start Guide 3, reviewing the region screen in more detail. From the IMPLAN dashboard, users can navigate to the region screen by clicking the region's tile or by selecting the region's icon from the vertical navigation. From the region screen, users can access all regions included in your IMPLAN subscription. Users can select a region from the map view or by using the search bar on the top left. Users can search for any region using the search bar, but can select all counties and states in the U.S. by selecting them from the map. Expand states to the county level by right-clicking the state name and selecting Show Counties. When you hover over a county, the county name will display. Right-clicking again will give users the option to hide counties or to zoom out the map. When selecting a region in IMPLAN, such as the state of North Carolina, you are selecting the data for the region in the given data year listed in the drop-down menu. To switch from the region's map view to the region's list view, click on the list view icon on the region's page. When using the U.S. data, this will provide users a list of each state in the U.S. Click the plus icon to select this region for your project, such as the state of Alabama. Similar to the map view, the list view will only show regions that are included in your active IMPLAN subscription. To expand to smaller geography types, click the arrow icon next to the state name. This will display all counties within the state. We can drill down to zip codes in each county by clicking the arrow next to the county name. Additionally, we can see all congressional districts or metropolitan statistical areas within a state by changing the drop-down option from county to MSA or congressional districts. Metropolitan statistical areas are combined regions of various different counties. Let's take a look at the MSAs within the state of North Carolina. We'll scroll down the regions list, find North Carolina, click the arrow icon, and change the drop-down from county to MSA. To see which regions are included within an MSA, add the MSA to your selected regions panel by hitting the plus icon and navigate to the region details. This can be done by clicking the region name or by clicking the View Region Details icon. From here, we can see a list of the included counties within an MSA within the Study Area Regions table of the Regions Overview page. Regional details for this region and data year combination can be found within the Region Details page. Return to the map or list by selecting the Close Region Details icon. If the MSA does not include the counties that you need, you can create a combined region of the correct counties to use for your analysis. Toggle the Multi-Select view if you would like to combine two or more different regions from the list view. For our restaurant example, we need to select 3 North Carolina counties in the Charlotte area. However, we have our total 2022 operations value not broken out across these 3 counties, so we can build a combined region of Mecklenburg County, Cabarrus County, and Union County, and place all of our operational values in this region. To build this combined region for our example, we'll scroll down to the state of North Carolina, expand to the county level, and select Cabarrus County, Mecklenburg County, and Union County. By clicking the checkbox next to each of the county names, we can see that these counties are not populated by default in our selected regions panel on the right. However, our number of regions to combine at the bottom of the screen is now 3 out of 500. If we click Combine Regions here, and give our combined region a custom name, such as Charlotte Example 2022, and press Save, it will be populated in the Selected Regions panel. Because this particular region has already been built out by myself or another IMPLAN user, There is no build process necessary. However, if you are the first person to create a certain combination of regions, IMPLAN will first have to build out the combined region model. Once that build process is finished, you will see a single combined region icon here, which means that this combined region is ready to be used for a project. For example, if we needed to use zip code 28012 in North Carolina, we can see that this region has not already been used or built by any other IMPLAN user. If we click the Build Region icon, IMPLAN will begin building zip code 28012. Now that this build process is completed, we are able to use this zip code for any IMPLAN analysis. The last option we have on the Regions page in IMPLAN is to toggle the combined and customized view. This is where users can find all combined and customized regions that they have previously built. Here, we can see the Charlotte Example 2022 combined region that we just built out for our example, indicated by the combined region icon. Remember that users can delete any region from the project by clicking the trash can icon next to the region in the Selected Regions field. Because we only need our combined region for this example, I'll go ahead and delete North Carolina, Alabama, the Charlotte Concord Gastonia MSA, and the zip code 28012. To create a project using these selected regions, simply click Create Impact or Save and give the project a name. However, remember that we already built out the project in the Quick Start Guide too, so all we have to do is navigate back to the IMPLAN dashboard. Come to our Projects page by clicking the Projects tile and navigate back to the region screen for our Charlotte restaurant example. Notice here that we haven't yet selected a region for this project. However, if we go to our Combined and Customized view, we can simply add our Charlotte Example 2022 combined region to our analysis and navigate to the Impacts page. Thanks for watching IMPLAN Quick Start Guide 3, Regions.